Welcome to the Global Securities Operations Investment Operations Certificate video. This is the Mastery Hub dashboard, your central command for tracking progress and accessing all study tools. The Summaries section provides expert distilled outlines of the official syllabus. We cover 5 chapters, with Chapter 1 on main industry participants shown here. Each chapter summary highlights examinable areas, common pitfalls to avoid, and essential exam tricks and notes. The summaries conclude with a review of numerical values and a compilation of potential exam traps from the chapter. The quick cheat sheet is a searchable reference for key definitions, exam traps, timelines, formulas, and thresholds, helping you quickly review high-impact content. Use flashcards for active recall. This is crucial for memorizing key rules and facts. Here, we are reviewing a card from the main industry participants section. By clicking Click to Reveal Answer, you can see the correct answer and immediately assess your knowledge. You can mark if you got it or not. The exams section offers 4 full-length mock exams, totaling 300 questions. These mocks are designed to test your knowledge across different styles, from foundational to advanced. Each mock exam is 90 minutes long and contains 75 questions, simulating the real exam experience. A 70% pass mark is required. While taking the exam, you can track your progress and time remaining. Upon selecting an answer, you can move to the next question using the Next button. After submitting, you receive a detailed correction review for every question, including an explanation of the correct answer and why other options are incorrect. Finally, the AI tutor is available as your dedicated GSO expert. Ask it anything about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics for immediate assistance.